Malting involves processing barley to prepare it for brewing. Barley is a tall grass with seeds on top of the stalk. While barley isn't great for baking, it's great for beer brewing. Barley is available in many strains and varieties, which ultimately influence the flavour of the beer. The malting process involves 3 stages: steeping, germination, and kilning. Each stage unlocks starches hidden inside the barley. Steeping is the first stage of the malting process. It involves steeping or soaking the barley in a vat of water for approximately 40 hours. Germination is the second stage of the malting process. It involves spreading the barley on the floor of the germination room for around 3 to 5 days until rootlets begin to form. Barley contains a substance called starch. If left alone, the barley seeds develop enzymes or chemicals that break down the starch into sugars. The barley plant uses the sugar as energy to grow leaves. Once the sugar supply is used up, the sun takes over and grows a new barley plant. The germination process produces enzymes which break down the starches within the grain into shorter lengths. At the end of the germination process, around 3 days, the starches soften and the enzymes haven't started converting the starch into sugar. The barley grain is called green malt and is now ready for the final stage of the malting process known as kilning. Kilning or drying is the final stage of the malting process. We'll cover this process later in the course.